Yeah, I've been a Holley person all my life. My name's Gary Clark. I'm from Ekron, Kentucky, about 50 miles down the road. With my 72 Nova, I've had for about 37 years. Bought it when I was 18 years old. You know, I've done everything to the car myself: paint, body work, built the motor, did all the chassis work, everything myself in 37 years. So the car belonged to my shop teacher in high school. He bought it brand new, and it passed hands a few times around home, and I'm like the fourth owner of the car. And I bought it, like I said, when I was 18 years old. It's a 408 small block. You know, it's got a lot of performance, parts in it. It's pretty healthy. I think roughly around 400, probably around 400 horsepower. But it is generally a street car. It's the same motor I've had for probably 20, 25 years. The car is kind of what I wanted to do back when I was 18, 20 years old and didn't have a whole lot of money, and just always looked like the looks of a tunnel ram. Tried to keep it in, like I said, to keep it looking 70s. I wanted it to look like a day two car, like it was bought new and then taken to the drag strip. And I wanted to keep it kind of original, but yet performance. Well, it was running 720s then, which was respectable then, which is not respectable now. But back then, a 720 street car was pretty hot little car. And I was driving it to the drag strip, uncapping the headers, putting slicks on it, racing it, and then driving it back home. Still got 8-track, and it all works. Under dash 8-track, and it all works. You couldn't have a 70s car without 8-tracks.